In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can get FASTag immediately offline. An urgent need for FASTag can arise when you are either without one of your vehicle or your existing FASTag has become inactive. This situation becomes very critical when you have an impromptu trip plan and you anticipate passing through several toll plazas. While online application is common method for obtaining FASTags, the delivery time could take 3 to 4 working days, which might not be feasible for immediate needs. Therefore, opting for offline methods become essential to ensure seamless travel without incurring hefty toll charges. So to get the FASTag immediately for your vehicle, visit any nearest ICICI bank and from there you can instantly get a instant FASTag for your vehicle. You just need to provide your KYC documents such as an ID proof, PAN card and your vehicle registration certificate. So once providing the documents, you will be provided with the FASTag. You will be asked to pay ₹99 for the FASTag. Additionally, if you wish to upload or top up your FASTag, then you can also do it from there itself by paying additional amount and they will instantly credit the amount to your FASTag. The FASTag will instantly get activated and you can even link it to your ICICI mobile app if you are already a ICICI bank customer. So this is how the process works. You can stick the FASTag to your windshield and remove the existing one if you have one, and you can immediately start using the FASTag and the deduction of the toll will be done very conveniently and smoothly. I tried with other banks such as IDFC, HDFC, but at my location they were unable to provide instant card and instead they asked me to order online. But ordering online would take 3 to 4 working days to deliver the FASTag. As I was in immediate need, so I personally visited the ICICI bank and got the instant FASTag from there. So if you also need a FASTag immediately on the spot, then you should try out the ICICI bank.